COVID-19 and lockdown has affected millions of people globally. It has brought life to a standstill. It has changed the dynamics of how people interact, how industries and businesses run. Most importantly, it has changed the way people learn. Education dynamics has completely changed from board and chalk to video and presentations. An engineering student knows how important role, practical training, and experiential learning plays in shaping up their careers. During such times, it is a challenge to be learning practically, or to be working on hardware or electronic kits.
To provide that experience, we at Barola are providing an exciting practical internship from the comfort of your home. Learn and work on hardware part on the kits delivered to your home. Along with hardware part, there's also coding part, so that both the aspects of project development are covered. It's one-of-a-kind internship, which focuses on skilling on both the aspects, i.e. hardware and coding part on emerging technologies. Here's how it works. Upon registration for an internship, exciting and enriching course content video series is sent to you along with the hardware kit. For more information on internship, visit barolainternship.com.